Without passion, life becomes boring. It becomes routine. It becomes dull.
God created you with the emotions to have passion in your life, and He wants you to live a passionate life.
Nothing great is ever accomplished in life without passion. Nothing great is ever sustained in life without passion. You've got to have passion in your life.
Creative force behind all great music
All great writing, all great craft.
Is passion.
Passion is what energizes life. Passion makes the impossible possible.
Passion gives you a reason to get up in the morning and go.
I'm going to do something with my life today.
The passion for today. Making one passionate step at a time for that one big